There's no denying the fact that modern civilization demands a high level of energy production. Everything from heating our homes to charging our phones demands power. However, our current energy sources of coal, oil, and natural gas just aren't cutting it in terms of safety and efficiency. The world needs a better solution. I believe the answer lies in the alternative of nuclear power. Not only is this energy source comparably more efficient, but it's also better for the health of individuals as well as the health of the environment as a whole. It has been estimated that the United States alone uses roughly 33.1 billion tons of fossil fuels each year. Take a moment to wrap your mind around that number. 33.1 billion tons of material being used to power just one country for 1 year. In comparison, nuclear power produces more energy per unit. According to Sciencing.com, 6 grams of nuclear fuel yields the same amount of energy equivalent to that generated by 1 ton of coal, 120 gallons of oil, or 17,000 cubic feet of natural gas. In simpler terms, this means that more energy can be produced from less fuel, resulting in a minimized waste output with a maximized product production. Despite the high efficiency achieved by nuclear power, many countries are abandoning their nuclear plants for fear of public health complications. However, when the data surrounding public health in relation to the type of energy used, a shocking truth is revealed. Fossil fuels are responsible for the highest death toll of any energy type. According to the Kazakh Independent Research Team, even in the worst nuclear disaster of Chernobyl, the World Health Organization estimated a number of only about 4,000 premature deaths from the accident. In comparison, it's estimated that around 4 million premature deaths each year can be linked to air pollution from burning fossil fuels alone. When comparing the number of deaths to the amount of energy produced, the results are even more appalling. Using 1 terawatt, or about the amount of energy used by 12,600 U.S. citizens per year as a measurement, all fossil fuels combined account for about 46 deaths per terawatt. Meanwhile, nuclear energy, even in the most pessimistic estimates, accounts for only about 1 death every 14 years. It has even been predicted that if fossil fuels were replaced altogether by nuclear energy, many lives would be saved rather than endangered. Not only would human lives be spared, but the environment would also receive the benefits. According to our world in data, global greenhouse gas emissions have reached an all-time high at nearly 50 billion tons per year. All of these emissions progressively worsen the issue of global warming. Global temperatures will rise. Weather will become more extreme. Sea levels will rise. Ice caps will melt. And corals will bleach. All of these catastrophes combined have the potential to threaten life on Earth as we know it. Cities will be destroyed by floods, droughts, and hurricanes, while the world's oceans will suffer extreme destabilization of ecosystems, followed by countless extinction events. The only way to avoid these disasters is to reduce the carbon footprint, and the most effective way to achieve this is to explore alternative energy sources, such as nuclear energy, which produces no harmful air pollutants at all. Therefore, if the majority of the world's energy production were to transition to the nuclear alternative, the environment could begin to heal from the years of damage. In conclusion, nuclear energy remains a hot topic of debate. However, when the true data is examined, the choice is clear. Nuclear energy is a much safer and efficient alternative to the traditional means of energy production sourced from fossil fuels.